In this tutorial, I'll show you how to duplicate a sheet in Google Sheets so you can reuse data, create templates, or safely experiment without affecting your original work. Start with the quickest method. Go to the bottom of your spreadsheet where all your sheet tabs are. Right-click on the sheet you want to copy, then click Duplicate. Instantly, a new sheet will appear with the same data, formulas, and formatting. It's an exact copy ready for you to edit. If you want to copy your sheet to another spreadsheet, right-click the Sheet tab again and choose Copy to. Then select New Spreadsheet to create a fresh file or choose an existing one. Google Sheets will move a copy of that sheet into the file you selected. And if you ever need to duplicate the entire file, not just one sheet, click File at the top, then select Make a Copy. This creates a full duplicate of your spreadsheet with all sheets included. This is especially useful when you're working with templates, reports, or backups because you can make changes freely without risking your original data. That's it. You now know how to duplicate a sheet, copy it to another file, and even clone your entire spreadsheet quickly and safely.